headed to F&S at their newest plant to do a minor PM on a food grade air compressor. We installed this machine, I want to say it was last fall. It's been running great for them, so this will be our first service since the machine's been installed.
Said you alright being on camera? I said, other than when you're backing up under pressure.
Yeah, you did good, man.
Get back, as long as I can see.
Yeah. You put one of them little portables on there, we'll see how you do.
Yeah.
Because they turn quick.
Again, you said you can see.
Yeah. So some of today's PM is going to be centered around training Brent. He's a new employee, and you just got to learn our process and how we do our PMs. So we're all doing them the same way. Looks like I'm putting out some heat. Yeah, that's the only, we're going to go into this one. I can bypass the whole dryer and just go right in there. Or, if we got an 8-bolt flange, we just take this loose, push it off to the side, and leave our portable hook up here. But I don't know whether it's labeled like it's going to an auction, so I assume that it's leaving. We have to unbolt it from the floor. There'll be a lot that goes into that, that's for sure. Hooking up our portable tie-in, and I'm going to start opening these valves after we get it tied in out there. Make sure I got a clear path to our tank. Then we're going to get on the portable and get this PM done. All right, so on this machine, the controller's kind of strange. It's not like set up. You can't change a lot while it's running, and it has a really long shutdown and a really long startup. So you got to kind of know exactly what you're adjusting and what to expect when you do it. Make sure you get a receipt for me, please, and you can go ahead and start now because you're going to have to stop and fuel. You got your lunch and everything?
Yeah.
All right. After that, go right back to the shop, and I'll see you there. The change that we made today was permanent. I mean, it's a permanent tie-in, so the next time that we come, we'll be able to plumb in the portable real quick and get everything fired up. And it also opens options for emergency service calls or any sort of a service call situation where we gotta get them air fast. We don't have to go through that. So we're glad to get that ironed out. Did a minor PM with an oil change, which is standard for food grade stuff. We cleaned up our machine, cleaned our coolers out, checked out all the systems on the machine. Everything looked great, machine's running wonderful, and that was it. Pretty much recap the whole day.